Okay, team, let's talk. We've all got access to these incredible AI tools, right? But here's the thing. There's a huge difference between just using them and using them effectively. Today, we're going to close that gap. We're moving beyond just generating content and into delivering real, verifiable value. Let's dive in.
Now, I want you to really stop and think about this question. What would that actually mean for your projects, for your deadlines? This isn't some pie-in-the-sky idea. This is the reality for professionals who have mastered the art of AI output verification. And that keyword, as you're about to see, is mastered.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to nail down the problem, what I call the AI effectiveness gap. Then we'll build the solution, starting with a core verification framework and a playbook you can actually use. We'll also get real about the common pitfalls before we wrap it all up with the key principles for true mastery.
Okay, let's get right into the core issue. There's this massive difference between just using these amazing tools and actually using them well. Far too many professionals are treating AI like some kind of magic black box, you know? They just accept whatever it spits out without a second thought. And that creates what we call an effectiveness gap, where all that potential for speed and quality just gets lost to rework, to errors, and frankly, to risk.
I want you to be honest with yourself for a second. How much time have you spent fixing a fabricated statistic or chasing down a source from a citation an AI just made up? We call those hallucinations. That lost time, that frustration, that rework, that's exactly what we're here to eliminate.
So how do we fix this? Well, we definitely don't just jump in blindly. The top performers, the ones really getting value, they build their success on a really solid foundation. Let's walk through the 3 pillars that make up a truly effective verification framework.
It really comes down to these 3 pillars. It all starts with strategy. I mean, you wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, would you? Then comes disciplined implementation. That's the actual construction work. And finally, measurement. You have to inspect the work to make sure it's up to code. This isn't just theory. This is the strategic backbone of every single successful AI initiative.
Theory is great, but results come from action. So this next section, this is our high-value playbook. These are the proven, real-world methods for putting that 3-pillar framework into practice on your projects, like starting tomorrow.
Think of this as your go-to checklist before you kick off any AI-assisted task. First, assess where you are. Ask yourself, is this a low-risk task for the AI, or does it require some serious human oversight? Define what success actually looks like. Get your stakeholders on board from day one. And please, don't try to boil the ocean. Implement in phases. And probably the most important parts, build your team's skills and always be ready to adjust as you go.
You know, the best organizations all follow a very clear pattern. They don't start with the cool new AI tool. They always start with strategy. They're obsessed with measurable value, not just being busy. They invest in their people to build sustainable skills in-house. And maybe most importantly, they are never rigid. They are built to adapt.
Look, if you only take away one single thing from this playbook, please let it be this. Clear objectives from the get-go will save you from so much wasted effort and so many false starts down the line. It's really that simple. All right, let's get real. The path to mastering this stuff, it isn't always a straight line. You're going to face hurdles, but the best professionals don't just react to problems. They see them coming. This section is all about knowing what's around the corner and having a plan to manage it.
These are the big 4. You'll see them, I promise. You'll have stakeholders with different goals. You won't have enough budget or people. You'll run into a team culture that's resistant to new ways of working. And of course, the classic problem of proving the value of what you're doing. But listen, these aren't roadblocks. They're just predictable variables that we can and we must manage.
And for every one of those predictable variables, there's a strategic solution. Misalignment? That gets solved with clear governance. Resource limits? They're managed by ruthlessly prioritizing what actually matters most. Resistance to change is overcome by educating your team and including them in the process. And measurement problems? You solve those by designing your metrics at the beginning of a project, not at the end.
Okay, let's bring it all home. We've defined the problem, we've built the framework, and we've navigated the pitfalls. So now, we're going to boil this all down into the core principles you need to internalize to truly master AI verification.
I want you to treat these takeaways as your new mandate. Verification isn't optional, it's essential. Success isn't magic, it is strategy and discipline. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Invest in your people, Always be ready to adapt and use clear governance to manage your risk. This is the new standard for excellence.
So we're not ending with a summary. We're ending with a call to action. I want you to leave this briefing and immediately think about your own work. Right now, what is the single biggest gap in your current verification process? Name it. And then, using the framework we've just talked about, ask yourself, what is the very first step you're going to take to close it? That's how this all begins.